Hey, welcome to another Innovation Production. Now, those of you who don't know this about me, I see myself as a bit of a part-time prepper. So what that means is that I'm not like one of those full-on preppers who have an underground bunker and months and even years of food and water supplies. But I'd like to think that if everything goes bad in this world with pandemics, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, wars and things like that, I'll be somewhat prepared for those times. So I've begun to put together a bit of a survival kit in a backpack so that I can be more ready than the average person. I've got a few things you can see here, but today I'm going to be talking about this knife here, which I bought from AliExpress, and the brand is LDT. Never heard of it before, but it's quite inexpensive. It's about $15. And for what it is, when I received it, I was quite surprised at the quality of it. It feels very hefty and solid in the hand. So let's have a look at this one. Here it's made of metal for the most part, and the middle part is made of plastic. It's got a clip here for clipping onto your belt, and you've got a bit of a hook here as well to be hooking it onto something, I guess. And to release the knife, you can do it one-handed. You've got this little knob here where you can just flick it out. Now the knife itself is actually really sharp. It's made of carbon steel. The model here is FA18, if you can see that. And it took me a while to actually figure out how to put it back in because it's locked in place. So as you can see here, there's a latch here where you push in, and then enables you to put it back in. Watch your fingers, it's really sharp. Anyway, so here's the LDT knife, which I bought from AliExpress and worth every dollar. Thanks for watching.